Oh, okay. So this next one is kind of strange. I saw this post on Jalopnik. Just watch this Japanese video of a snowy roof because it's so very satisfying. All right. This looks like it's going to be a good time. Like I click on this and I'm like, oh, I'm in for a good time. Right. Yeah. But I scroll down and I don't know if this has ever happened to me before. I scroll down to where the video should be and I can't find a video to click on. And then right below where the video should be, it says update. Damn it, they deleted the tweet, the whole account. Why? I'll see if I can find another source. Sorry. That's the person who wrote the article on Jalopnik. Are you following me here, Will?
Yeah.
This article now ceases to serve any purpose at all.
Uh-huh.
And
so he couldn't even find another video.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the account that posted it is deleted.
Yeah, well, that's just mean.
So what happened? Did the account, once it got covered by a website and started getting traffic, where they're like, whoops, I can't show this clip for some reason? It got me really curious because it just seems odd. But anyway, I couldn't solve the mystery. I didn't have the time, but I realized that I couldn't leave it like that either. I had to seek out snow removal from a roof.
Yeah, you were really ready for this video.
I just had to go figure it out. I had to be like, okay, what's so cool about snow removal from a roof? Now, in this case, I'm guessing it all slides down at once, but I went on YouTube, as you would do, because I needed to put some closure on this entire experience that I had. And so if you click over to the next YouTube link there, this is the one I selected. Look at this title. This is a whole genre of content. Best, biggest, deep roof, very fast removal snow, Alaska method.
It hits all the keywords.
Roof shoveling. I was like, this is a whole thing, and many multi-million view pieces of content, including some breaching the 10 million view count. But anyway, I want you to click the play button here to look at this amazing method for snow removal, which is oh so satisfying, turning the snow into wonderful rectangular cubes as they are quickly removed from a roof at an incredible speed.
Yes. Very efficient.
I apologize for anybody just listening, but this guy has some sort of a contraption. You can actually leave it running because there's another really good one. But I think people like all these removal methods. People enjoy all snow removal, Will. It can be a shovel. It can be a snow blower. It can be the special contraption that the guy was using. Look at this contraption. Wait, look. Look at it. It's like an assembly line, the way these things come down. Now, he has a simpler version than the last guy. It is so amazing, isn't it? And oddly satisfying, which is ultimately the thing that I was looking for. So anyway, there you have it.
You're satisfied.
If you need to see some snow removal, don't let the removal of that one tweet from the Jalopnik article get you down. YouTube is full. It is a vast landscape of satisfying snow removal for your pleasure.